Alright, we're back, guys. We're finally finishing up the Veloster. I'm very happy to get this car out of the way.
It's been way too long.
It has been way too long. So, off camera, the rusty bolts that we were struggling with for way too long were removed and replaced with brand new ones. The little cage that was underneath the car, that got removed as well because that was just rendered completely useless. I believe on the other side it was able to be salvaged.
Yeah. I think they cut it off anyways.
But we still have new hardware for it, which is great. We were able to get started on it before we started filming, just to make sure everything was going to go well before we got started. And we got the passenger side rear all the way out, and we're going to get ready and install the new parts we got here.
Brand new ones, yeah. It looks like they're adjustable shocks. They've got like a twisty bit in here. Couple bump stops, so it's a full kit. At least we're not using any of the stock parts because
Junk.
It's all garbage.
Yeah.
So yeah, we got new springs here
In the bin.
in the bin.
That's probably copyrighted.
That isn't copyrighted. New shocks as well, and he actually has covers for the shocks so they don't rust in our wonderful New England weather.
In the bin.
In the bin.
In the bin. Anyways, let's get started, guys. We're going to throw these new adjustable parts in. This Veloster is going to be looking awesome, nice and low, and ready for the summer car season. I torqued it in a star pattern before, I don't want to hear it.
I don't even think they saw any of that. Oh well.
I'm very aggressive. Sorry.
It's coming with heat. Let me in!
Denied. Can I move your seat up just a little bit?
Alright.
How you doing, bud?
Hey, good. Let me get buckled real quick.
Let's
Let's
listen to this terrible suspension noises.
Yeah,
I just want to make sure it's safe.
exactly.
Just want to make sure it's safe for my good friend here. And
Let's
what
get
we
the
can
noise up
do.
front.
It always made noise up front. Remember?
Oh, that's bad.
Holy crap!
Oh, that's bad.
Very noisy.
It is.
Not bad.
On smooth roads, yeah. Are we just taking it into Massachusetts to see
Yeah,
how bad?
just to test it.
Yeah, sounds good.
We're just gonna drop him off at home and then take the car.
Sounds good. It's not terrible.
We've gotten to 40. What's the speed limit here?
Either 35 or 40, something like that. I think by the police station it's 30, so careful.
100. Got
Yeah,
it.
100, yeah. So, yeah, police station coming up in a sec. Officer Ambitious. Hiding out, lurking. It is quite noisy. Wow.
I want to just make sure the springs aren't moving back there.
Yeah.
And as long as they're not moving back there with it.
Wow, okay. Well, should we put like one of the old bump stops under it or something?
It doesn't sit flush, that's the thing.
Well, we can cut it to make it flush, I guess. Yeah, I know those bump stops are all kinds of weird angles to fit regular springs.
As long as it's safe, we can get them like some rubber and just make bump stops for it.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, as long as it's safe, I just want to make sure of that.
Yeah.
Sorry for ruining your car.
Oh, that's fine.
That's a real friend right there.
Yeah, he was.
It's just really good bass.
Yeah. Speaking of bass, when you turn up the sound system, you won't hear any of the noises. So you're fine. Oh yeah, it's like a 30 through here, by the way.
Yeah,
And Officer Ambitious likes to hide around here. Ooh, yeah. Take it down the street. That's left.
I'm gonna go. Just make sure I don't hit.
Ooh. Alright, censor out the street name I just said.
Okay, turn to right.
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna just go left and turn around and go back to the house.
If you want to. If you want to really test, go down, you know what I mean, street. Ooh, okay, I think we just got a good test there.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure it's gonna be actually safe when we get back to the house. I just want to make sure that the springs are not gonna fall out of the car.
Yeah.
And if that's the case, then it's fine.
I didn't film any of that.
Brace yourself. I'm going to do some back and forth, okay, Kawa?
Wait, hold on,
I'm gonna
put
do
my
some
hand.
back and forth, so
Okay.
hold on.
Go on.
Yeah, that don't sound right.
That was so aggressive. Hey, it grips very well though.
Yeah.
It gripped all of
It
that
felt
movement.
flat.
Yeah, it did. It didn't have any body roll.
It's got some.
It's got barely.
So as long as I'm gonna... Your lights are useless.
He just flickered his lights. He turned on his he turned off his high beams just for them to turn right back on.
Yeah.
Alright, you tried.
Don't do that again. Not here.
Not
Yeah,
here.
not here. Yeah. Please.
You wanna go to jail?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
He wants to go to
Don't worry.
jail.
I can't go.
It's probably better than Brazil.
No.
No.
Have you been to jail in Brazil?
No.
Have you been
Not
in
yet.
trouble?
Not yet.
Yeah.
Alright, getting into the driveway. All dirt. Oh, not terrible. Not good, but not terrible. Oh, the pothole's pretty bad.
Yeah, I need you.
Alright, I guess I should open the door, huh? Here we
I
good?
I can check it out here.
Yeah, true. Alrighty. Ooh, Hyundai. Hyundai, as they call it, where this car is made. Hold on, I got a illumination device.
Yeah, there.
Is everything in the back seat relocated?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's better.
Including his insides.
Yeah, including all of ours.
That was pretty stable. I mean,
You were prepared for it.
I tried to prepare you.
Yeah, I didn't anticipate that. I didn't anticipate it to grip, because last time you did that,
It didn't.
it didn't grip, it just slid.
Yeah.
Because it was also raining.
Yes.
So I was like, oh, it just slide again. No, that was gripping the whole time.
The springs are safe. They're just noisy.
Okay.
It's safe. Just loud as fuck. I do know how to fix it though.
Okay. What's the name of when start fast? Too
Shooting,
fast.
shooting star.
Yes.
You just saw one?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
nice.
sick.
Yeah. No.
That's
That
awesome.
is cool.
So,
Mhm.
what we're gonna do to fix that? It's making a lot of noise, but it's safe. and it sounds like it's coming apart, but it's not. So what we're going to do to fix that is at a later date, he's going to bring the car back, and we're going to just make some nice rubber bump stops. So we're going to have to find some rubberized material of sorts to make a bump stop out of, but after that, it'll be nice and good. We can wrap the bump stop around it, make it nice and neat.
I think it might actually have some. I think I actually do have it in there too. It's like, I think a 1/4 inch thick.
Yeah, we'll take a look at it.
So yeah, we can probably make something out of that.
Yeah, and
It's just big sheets.
then it will be a lot nicer to drive. But right now, it's low. It looks cool,
Oh, it looks awesome.
and we just need to figure out the noise at a later date. That's all.